So hi everyone, this is the final part. It's just the flip through of the journal. So if you've followed me along, there is 5 other parts to this. It's in a playlist and it will be listed below. I can't remember what I've called the playlist, but I will link it below. So this was fun to do. It's taken me a couple of days to do this, and like I said in the other videos, just because you see like a short video doesn't mean that it's actually taking me like 20 minutes to do that actual item. It does take a lot longer. So I made a fabric cover which will be in the first part, and this was the video before last. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to do a flip through of it because everything I have mentioned, I think, in the previous videos. This will be listed for sale in my shop. If you're interested, you can find the links to that below. Oh, I didn't mention this. This is actually from Your Creative Studio, one of the boxes. I can't remember which box it was now or which month it was, but there's another envelope the other side. How have I just lost a paper clip? There it is. Okay, that doesn't want to go in, does it? Doesn't want to sit nicely for me now. And that's one of the tags that I made. Lace trim, added some pieces on here. Another tag that I made, full video on these. If that opens up, it's also open there if you wanted to tuck something in there, like so. The tag here is from ARTYmaze, and this is a freebie on my coffee shop, the image there. Made these in a video. Added some labels and vintage labels. Another tag. That's the flip out, like so. Another tag that I made. That's another tag from ARTYmaze. That's another journal card that I made. It was so much fun doing them. And then this little cluster there. That's a freebie on my coffee shop. It's opened at the back there. Well, it's opened a little bit because I've glued that right down there. So that flips opened like so. Another journal card that I made. Like I said, it's all in the videos prior to these ones. Part 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is another envelope from Your Creative Studio. They are so pretty. So pretty. And that goes there. And then here another tag that I made. Another tag that I made. Love them birds. So I'm calling this Flight, I think. I'm going to call it Flight because it's got little birds in it. So yeah, that's the journal. Hope you enjoyed watching me make this. And like I said, I will put the playlist below of all of the videos to this. If you want to go and watch that. And if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.